Kunsel. Happy birthday to you.
Good evening, everyone. So, on behalf of entire families and friends, I want to welcome Tenzin Kunsel's Sweet 16 birthday celebrations to each and every one of you. I'm Tenzin Kunsel's proud brother, I think. And I'm so honored to be here with all of you guys tonight to celebrate this special occasion. Tonight is a celebration of love, joy, and community as we come together to mark an important milestone to Kunsel's life. We have an exciting event ahead of us, filled with the speeches, dance, music, and of course, some amazing food. We are grateful to have you all here to share the joy of these celebrations. Without further ado, I would like to start this event by inviting all the speakers on the stage who have been preparing for their speech for a while. And let me call the name and everyone please come on the stage. First, Dorjit Abdullah, Kunsel's dad, and also Kunsel's younger siblings, Kamal Lansula, and also Kunsel's best friend, Chenzo, Anna, and Pema. Please come on the stage right now.
Very good evening again. I'm Dorjit Amdo, Tenzin Kunsel's dad. let's begin from the favorite person to the least person. So we have a video clips from Tenzin Quincy's favorite person. So let's watch the videos.
Bomo Tenzin Quincy gi ene ronglo churu le phebe gi she ga ni mo le nga chu nam chung we ne chang zhi zha hi de le hu ge de ne bomo de nga bomo ki lo jong ju ri na le ne lo jong le be zhen da la ba de lo ma pen chu tun je ne gen la na ba chu ka le ka sung ji ju hu ya ne lo jong ya bu xie lo ma ya bu xie de le nga chu nga rong wo bu nge ne tu ji xie hu yi ta de rin de zong de ne bo mo ta lo da che mo ndo ya ngo zu gu yo re de yin de ta bo mu lo jong de ne ta xie gu ya me du lo jong ya bu xie du de yin de ta ma ong ba le ge che hu de me zong bo xi zo ya de me zong bo xi zo ya de ge che mo re de yin de nga chu sa wi la ma香港人不去个那样，对着那把个送的有的，对于对他，呢，没中不起的，等不起，对给吃去的人对帮我给你的晓呢，那来新疆的，那想到你这个头呢，没了pension这样的，呢，没中不起，没亚入的，小中些的，那还种给钱不的上不到，那我就我比如说吃去的人。Any Tahidili.
We say, Lochi to Shika, Tahidele, Nimesili, Shalando, go into Masata Isa, Matachi, Chisate, Gendu, Richi Lando, Shatashi, Jenka to Ayo, Yato Yanse, and your Gundonam, go into Masata Isa, you, or Chisate, Gendu, Ayo, Pamazon, Mother. Good
evening, dear friends, family, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you all for joining us to celebrate this very special occasion. Today is not just a milestone in our family's life. It also coincides with the auspicious first day of Losar, the Wood Snake Tibetan New Year. I'm overjoyed that we are all here together to mark this moment. Happy New Year. Now, as I stand here, I want to reflect on Tenzin's journey from a toddler to the fearless teenager she is today. 16 years ago, when Tenzin first came into this world, we as new parents had very little experience with baby care. I remember when daughters told us to always put the baby to sleep in the crib, but instead I choose to place her on my chest, close to my heart at night. I had read somewhere that this would create a greater bond later in life. Little did I know then how much those moments would shape our connection. Tenzin wouldn't be who she is today without the warmth and loving care of my dear wife, Tserin Chuki. Tserin has been the rock of our family, truly the tiger mom in the best possible way. Her dedication and love have shaped Tenzin into the beautiful, compassionate, and driven young woman we celebrate tonight. I'm so proud of both of them, and it's clear that Tenzin's Sweet 16 is as much a celebration of her mother's love and hard work as it is of Tenzin herself. Of course, this celebration is also for Tenzin's sister, Kama Wamatam, who will be 13 in this April. I want to acknowledge the importance of all the family members who have enriched and brought so much meaning and purposes to Tenzin's life, including her brother, Darje, Tenzin Tserin, her cousin, Tenzin Darje, who came all the way from Colorado, and the many wonderful friends who have been part of her life and continue to be there for her. As the saying goes, it takes a village to raise a child, and I'm proud to say that Tenzin has been surrounded by a loving community. Besides our immediate family, she has grown up with amazing Tibetan friends, high school classmates, and mentors. We are also deeply grateful to have some of our teachers from high school who are here with us tonight. Thank you so much for your presence. I really appreciate because your guidance and influence on her educations have played a critical role in shaping the young woman she is becoming. We are very grateful that you are here today. Tenzin was born at Reston Hospital, but she was not an easy born. Within weeks after her pregnancy, my wife had developed a debilitating hyperemesis that has bedridden her for most of the trimesters. After a few years of Tenzin's birth, my wife wanted a sibling for Tenzin. Thus we had Karma, and my wife also had the same serious hyperemesis, throwing up, nothing holding in her stomach. Nurses had to come to the houses to care her. Only then did I realize the extent of a mother's sacrifice. That would definitely give extra strength to Tenzin in life when she encountered any difficulties in her future life. Moving first forward, Tenzin is meticulous in everything she does. She has a fierce determination, and it's clear to me that she is ready to take on whatever the world has to offer. Tenzin Quinsel, you continue to amaze me with how quickly you pick up new skills, whether it is in sports like ski or tennis, Tibetan culture, dance, public speaking, or making cupcakes at home. Your commitment to excellence shines through. I'm incredibly proud of your growth. I remember the time you were selling lemonades in our neighborhoods. And at the end of the day, you shared the profits with 2 little kids who had extended a helping hand to you. That was very generous and thoughtful of you. And when you finish your shifts at Chick-fil-A, once, occasionally, you always bring home something extra and share it with your little sister. That's incredibly caring. You are your sister's keeper. But I don't know, between us, when it comes to making decisions, you're always the boss. And I really don't know when that thing will change. As your father, my advice to you is simple: live free and die hard. Always put in the extra hard work and never underestimate your own abilities. From the book, The Alchemist, that you read, it says, when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. So whatever your dream is, as long as you put your heart into it, nothing is impossible. But there's one thing that is impossible. Asking you to put away your phone is really impossible. Quincy, I love you from here to the moon and back. You have brought so much joy to our lives, creating so many beautiful memories, and I'm incredibly proud to be your father. Here's to all the wonderful things that lie ahead in your next chapters. Let's see what will turn out in the next 16 years. But always remember this. Always remember this. You can't hit a big home run if you don't swing a bat. Thank you very much.
Tashida, again hello, and thank you all so much for coming to my sister's Sweet 16. Me and my family couldn't be any more grateful for you all to come, and especially to those who helped us set this whole thing up, because we couldn't have put this all together without you. I know today is my sister's birthday, but another special occasion it's also Losar, which is an extremely important event for all of us Tibetans, in which we all come together and celebrate another great year. And now, a hopefully not cringe but heartfelt message from my amazing sister. To my sister, it felt like years have gone by in a flash, because I know that at first I remember you and me always playing with our Barbies or pretending to be Power Rangers. Although you always got the first pick, like getting to be the pink Power Ranger or Barbie, and then I would have to be Ken, we still always had fun playing together. You definitely grew up so much over the years and somewhat gotten way more mature. It amazes me how you have grown into such amazing young woman. Even when we were young kids, you have always taken care of me when both of our parents had to go to work. You're almost like a second mom. And though it may not seem like it, I really look up to you. And even as we get older, I know I will never stop counting on you. I know you've been waiting for this day to come in your life for such a long time, and so have I. And you absolutely deserve it, since you've been working so hard for it. I love you so much, and I wish you the greatest birthday ever.
Hello, my name is Chosum. This is my longtime best friend's birthday, Tenzin Kinsel. She has been by my side for beyond 10 years, knowing her since I was only 6 years old. She was my first real friend since arriving in this country, and I treasure her so much more than she may ever know. I remember and will always hold dear to my heart about the times we had late night talks and sleepovers. As we looked at the ceiling together, we didn't need fancy toys or screens. All we needed was each other. We have seen each other laughing, crying, being angry, and unbelievably happy. This is a quote I like to share. A friend is one who overlooks your broken fence and admires the flowers in your garden. Kinsel, thank you for being that friend who doesn't nitpick me for my broken pieces and instead helping me put myself back together. Kinsel, and thank you for letting me call you by that name, even if you normally like being called by your first name. You are one of the most talented and greatest people I know. Please never think otherwise, and have a wonderful Sweet 16. Happy birthday.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so excited to be here today to celebrate someone very special, my best friend Tenzin, who has turned 16 today. Now, for those of you who don't know, being Tenzin's best friend is a full-time job. It comes with a lot of benefits, like constant laughter and late-night rants. But with these perks, it comes with its challenges. For example, having to pretend you understand what she is saying when she is ranting, or having to allow her to drag you around from place to place. But despite these benefits and challenges, there is one point that brings us together no matter what: food. Many say that friendships are built upon loyalty and trust, but not us. It's just food. If you ever need to find us, you can just look for us in the snack aisle or anywhere that serves fries. When we are together, we have a secret language. Just one glance and we know it's time to eat. But in all seriousness, Tenzin is one of the funniest, kindest, and most genuine person I have ever met. She brings so much joy into my life and food into our plans, and I'm beyond lucky to have her as my best friend. So Tenzin, I hope your 16th year holds a lot of laughter and joy. Happy birthday.
Hello everyone, my name is Pema, and I'm so lucky to call Kunsel my best friend. She's the kindest, funniest, and most amazing person, from always being there for me when I need her, to having the biggest smile on her face during Pelupta, and making doing student council so special. Kunsel, you have such a big heart, and anyone who knows you is lucky to have you in their life. 16 is just the beginning of all incredible things coming your way, and I know you'll take on the world with the same kindness, strength, and joy you always have. I can't wait to make so many more unforgettable memories, and happy Sweet 16. Thank you.
So, as you guys know why we are here for. So, everyone, please welcome Tenzin Kinsel from the back of the stage.
Lực đông đầy nhà một tháp trên trên đi sang 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 một con thuyền ai yêu ya chúc xem ba gà lăng lăng lên lót tình nghĩa cho bà đã xin tên đi la 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 và đã mi la mi để bà sẽ cho khứ 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 mà giờ mi số năm trăm thôi yang cái đó mà lên dễ lên.
Nga
vi lang to choro sam yara la par yo ye ri lo ye ta ya mi ri ko ka ri jong la ga yo la ye
成功几年前边，我了些年梦，我在夜当中别人的梦中，爬山爬呀就别样的人穷。
你高的就如耶，三手扛的起家荣，爱也心起拉的你有的。爬山爬呀爱空中是无言。 也是么亲拉的你有的怕啥怕有人爱公中去模样天真就样的可亲拉的有的爱也公中去模你怕啥
Go 有情当心不你。
Alexa, play Kodiani.
Playing Kodiani.
मेरे दिल विच बस जा कुड़िए नी तेरे बिन मैं नहीं जचदा कुड़िए नी मेरे दिल विच बस जा कुड़िए नी तेरे बिन मैं नहीं जचदा कुड़िए नी मैं तेरा दीवाना कुड़िए नी तेरे बिन मैं नहीं रहना कुड़िए नी ऐ चुप्पी ना तोड़ कुड़िए नी आना खानी भी छोड़ कुड़िए नी कुड़िए नी कुड़िए नी कुड़िए
मुंडे आवे हो तो मेरे पीछे लट्टू नजर जो लगी कहाँ से लूंगी नजर पट्टू मुंडे आवे मैं तो फॉलो न कर दूं अपनी गली हूँ मेरा हाथ ना पकड़ दूं
कुड़िए नी कुड़िए नी कुड़िए तेरे हर रात मैनू कोई दिसदा नहीं पता लाया बड़ा दिल किते लगदा नहीं तेरे रंग दारा मिले सितारा वे यारा तेरे बिन ऐसा सावे रंग सजना मनदा नहीं दिल तेरे लिए पर तेरी खैर मंगदा रे तू जो नैना चित लाया शराबी रत लाया तेरे इश्क च होया मन सजना तेरी डोरियां नू लेके गंगा आगे ते लेके अज उठदा जैसे कि पतंग सजना तू जो नैना चित लाया शराबी रत लाया तेरे इश्क च होया मन सजना
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरे हुए दीवाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना
On the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in my room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers. Dream about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see you belong with me?
but I know you better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? She wears hard shirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find out what you're looking for. 'Cause I've been here the whole time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. I've been at your back door all this time. How could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. Everyone's still going. We have to take the bridge. Wait. There's more. Stay hurry. Stay hurry. Oh, I remember you. I'm in my house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who makes you laugh when you know you're about to cry. I know your favorite song. Then you tell me about your dreams. Think I know where you belong. Think I know it's with me. Can't you see that I'm the one who understands you? Been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Now you're pointing at your back door all the time. How could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. You belong with me. Not just baby. You belong with me. You belong with me. What's
And that's it, all the performance for now. And then later, after the graduate speech by Dinsu Kunsel, I'm gonna random call the names and they're gonna perform. Oh, I'm kidding. If you guys want to. And now, the next one is from Dinsu Kunsel's express her gratitude to all of you.
Alright, good evening everyone. Thank you all for being here tonight to celebrate my Sweet 16 with me. All the things everyone said about me tonight are just a big lie, you guys. Just kidding. It truly means so much to have all of you here, just for one person. It's a bit embarrassing though, but I get it. It's all about lifting me up and encouraging every teenager to feel loved and cherished. I can feel your care and love so strongly in this hall today. And I feel especially humbled and honored to be in front of my dear teachers, Mr. Duffy, Miss Barrett, and Miss Clifton. Your presence is very special to me. Thank you. Thank you to my mom and dad. You raised me with so much love, and I admit it hasn't always been easy. I've constantly tested your patience, but so far you've passed with flying colors. Hopefully we can continue that. Love you both more than you know, and a big thank you to the nuns for the beautiful prayers. To my little sister Kama, thank you for always having my back. You might be smaller than me, but let me tell you, your sass is the size of the entire universe. You make every day more fun and definitely more dramatic in our family. Seriously though, I love you more than you know and wouldn't trade you for all the candy in the world. Well, maybe chocolate. That would be another story. To Chinzong, my best friend for the past 8 years. You've been with me through every awkward phase, every laugh, and every time I tried to act like I knew what I was doing. And I can't believe we made it this far without any major disasters. Well, maybe one or two, but who's counting? Every moment with you is a memory I'll cherish forever. And to Anna, my best friend since freshman year in bio class, thank you for being by my side through all the awkward phases, laughs, and moments of chaos. With you, our giggles never stop. From our group project disasters to our McDonald's runs, you've been there through it all. And let's not forget our crazy sleepover moments. You've made my high school year 1,000 times better, and I'm beyond grateful for everything you do, from the random heart-to-heart talks to the goofy moments we'll never forget. You're my ride or die, and I love you more than words can say. A special shout out to Jojo Target and Jojo Tsiring. Thank you both for all the fun we have together and for always making time for me no matter how busy you are. You guys are the best at making sure I'm never without laughter. And I'm so lucky to have you two in my life. Love you both so much. My hat's off to Ani Tenzin-la and Kunchok-la for the delicious food and to all the Amalas for your helping hands and teamwork. I would be remiss without mentioning the vibrant Tibetan American community in which I am lucky to have been born and raised, and the wonderful Tibetan Sunday school kids, teachers, school friends, and parents who are here today. Now, here's an ending quote by an anonymous author that I like to end with. Today, I choose to live with gratitude for the love that fills my heart, the peace that rests within my spirit, and the voice of hope that says all things are possible. Thank you all again.
Someone